Meaning of double Dutch.
Double Dutch.
Double Dutch.
Double Dutch.
Double Dutch. The expression double Dutch is often used to describe something that is highly confusing or completely incomprehensible. It can also refer to a type of skipping rope game involving multiple jumpers and complex series of movements and chants. However, in common usage, the term is typically used to describe situations where someone is unable to make sense of what is being said or done. The phrase is thought to have originated in England and has been in use since at least the 17th century.